What if the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict suddenly ended with a peaceful border agreement tomorrow? For decades, this disputed region has been a frozen battleground between Armenia and Azerbaijan. But imagine both nations sign a comprehensive peace deal, opening new trade corridors through the South Caucasus. Within months, the region transforms into a major bridge between Europe and Asia. Energy pipelines multiply rapidly, connecting Central Asian oil and gas directly to European markets. Trade routes that once seemed impossible become the backbone of a new economy. But here's the unexpected twist: Russia loses its strategic grip on the region. No more need for peacekeepers means no more Russian influence. Suddenly, Turkey and Iran rush to fill the power vacuum, competing fiercely for control. The entire Middle Eastern balance shifts as these rivals clash over influence. Within years, the South Caucasus becomes an economic powerhouse. Traditional trade routes through the Suez Canal face serious competition. A peace deal could accidentally reshape global commerce forever.